Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this video is a part of the Maximizing Shopify series. In this video, I am going to cover how to add a contact page to your Shopify store. With running an online business, the one thing that we lack is the ability to personally connect with our customers. And when you are running a e-commerce business, that is a vital part of the entire process. If they have questions, they need to know how to contact you and where to find you so that they are able to get the answers that they need. With that, we will go in and create a contact page. Now, before we take that step, maybe you don't have a standard, Shopify theme, one of the free themes. Every theme that is created for the Shopify platform usually comes with a template for the contact page. And that's what we're going to implement today. So with that, we will go to the online store and we're going to go to pages. If you haven't added any pages, this is what you're going to see. So first, you're going to want to add a page, and we're going to name this page. So contact us. Now, any information that you put in, like links, address, if you want to put in a button for Messenger or to trigger one of your bots, you can put all of that information here. So I'm going to write a small note just to say that, thank you for reaching out. We will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. With that, all of the information that I put here, which if I wanted to do a follow us on Facebook, then I can just put that link in here. I'll insert the link, and now I have a link. Now on this right-hand side under template, we're going to select page.contact. Now, depending on the theme that you are using in your store, it may say page.template-contact. It may say contact-page. You may have different variations of your contact page. So in order to see what that is going to look like, you have to select it and then save it. Now, it's not going to show you a preview of what it looks like. You're just going to see this back end portion of it. So we're going to click View on your online store. And in this, we see the text and we have the link that's going to take us to Facebook. And we have a form here. Now, if you have one of the themes that have multiple contact pages, then you can select the one that works for you, but it will work the same way. I know there are some themes that may allow you to add a map, allow you to move the layout of the page. So this is the basic contact us page with some information and a link and a contact form for them. So we're letting our customers know when they should expect to hear from us and where they can find us. If I was to add in a Shopify bot that I had, I can put that trigger link up here too, where I can have it say chat with us. And instead of them filling out this form, they will fill out the chat. So that is the way to add your contact page. Now, once you add it, you're going to want to add it to your store's navigation. So we will click that, which will take us to our navigation under our online store. And you can put it under your main menu, your footer menu, or if you have any other menus that you want it laid, that's what you will click. You will click Add Menu Item. And in Link, we're going to click and it'll bring up all of our different options. And we're going to select Pages. And Pages, we're going to see the Contact Us page. And we will click Add. From here, we will save. And now when we go to our store, we will be able to see in our navigation our Contact Us page. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And if you are looking for more tutorials on the Shopify platform, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when a new video is uploaded. If you are new to the Shopify platform, be sure to check out my Mastering Shopify playlist where it breaks down all of the basics of the Shopify platform.